your World Cup tickets on the app, there are two options. First of all, you can either download FWC 2026 FIFA World Cup mobile tickets app. It's available in the Play Store. You can directly download it, tap on the app, and it will show all of the details regarding your My Tickets and upcoming matches, past matches, the tickets you have purchased. All of them will be available in this app. But if you find it hectic, then what you can do is tap on the FIFA World Cup official app. Now here you will find all of your match history. Now tap on home section. Now here is an icon called access your FIFA World Cup 2026 tournament tickets. So tap on the tickets app and it will ask you that you are leaving the app, so tap on continue. And it will directly take you to the original app. So after your app is open, as I already showed you before, all your ticket details will be shown here, and including the location where you are attending the match, and all of the details related to the match can be seen there. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you see the match live in the stadium with the